Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade before with your broker before you put in your trades. Okay, with that, I think we'll proceed with our live analysis. Okay, here, um, in fact, today the market has been very quiet. Okay, of course, I think you know the reason well because today is the CPI, US CPI data that is going to be out. Okay, as a result, I think market is expected to be quiet until the announcement, uh, unless if this breakout happens. Okay, and I think tonight we would be doing most likely a news trading. Okay, I think we'll be coming back again at 2100 hours, and the data is out at 2130. So we have about 30 minutes to get ourselves prepared for this news trading. Okay, the core CPI and CPI month on month and year on year. Okay, these are the data that is going to be out tonight. So we will be trading during the time. And for those of you who are interested in joining us in a live session, you can come in and join us. Okay, with that, okay, let's see whether we have any open trades. I think the goal we missed it, because we wanted to buy at 2600. Because of the stop loss, I think we had to put that level, but it wasn't filled. So we missed that trade, and just now I think we got dollar yen filled, and I think we closed with about few pips, just 5 pips. In fact, we're trying to close at 20 pips, but I think again that TP is also missed. So, so as of now, I think we have gold working to sell at 2622, which is until another 3 hours more left. Pound, we have a selling order, okay, at 1630, and euro, I think this one also we can extend the time until 20. So this is also going to be a bit quiet session, so we will extend this for until 20. Then we have euro selling expiry 1830, also raise it to 20. Okay, total we have 3 orders. All let it work until 20. Then after that, I think we go in live markets. Then we have dollar yen buying at 154 and euro dollar selling at 10705. So this is also we work until 2330 Singapore time. And we also have the pound euro dollar buying quite far. Okay, this is going to be end of the week, and that's where we expect the market to turn up. Okay, with that, I think we'll proceed with our live analysis. Okay, let's start off with the gold. Uh, so we have your current 360 gold is up. Okay, but 720 is flat, and daily is also flat. Okay, this is gold. Okay, for those of you who are coming in first time, okay, take note that this is gold. Okay, this is the one we are looking. So basically, before we put in any trade, we have a few strategies. Okay, few strategies. That means of course, we will be guiding you on the strategies, and also before we put in a trade, we always need to know or do some work before we put in the trade. Okay, that of course that 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 plan, the pre-preparation is very important. So the thing you need to know is, of course, the trend control. Okay, the trend control means uh, what is the trend and what is the time that is controlling the trend, because we need to look at both price and the time, then only we can get a precise entry exit point. So as of now, we look at gold. This is a downtrend on the weekly. Okay, so this is one sentence that tells you that, okay, what is the trend doing. So this is downtrend on the weekly. That means the market is trading below previous week low. Okay. Then the next thing we need to know for gold is we need to know the time control. Okay, time control means, see, the thing you must understand is when we talk about the trend control, we can be a bigger time frame. Okay, it can be weekly, monthly, quarterly, so on and so forth. But as far as the time control is concerned, what are we expecting in the next 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours daily? That is what we meant by time control. So this thing, if you look into the time control, like for instance, your 360 right now, this is up. Okay, which means to say that that up force is expected to last for another 3 hours, and this is the clue we are getting, that this market is going to move up in another 3 hours, unless if weakness is not seen or the support is not broken. So the time control, we take it as 360. Okay, next thing we need to know is, of course, your trade plan. Okay, we call it a TP. And usually when we use the trade plan, what we do is we use with the time together with the trade plan. So at least we stick to our rules. Okay, what is going to be our rules and what is our plan, and what happens, in the event if something goes wrong, then what we should be doing. So for as far as this trade plan is concerned, so we can put it as TP 360. So which means this is our plan is purely based on 6-hour chart. Okay, and that's what we need to know. And of course, a few things we need to know is our trade control, boundary, benchmark, all this. But that one slowly we can get into picture. So now, what are we going to do? Okay, there's two things. We can look, by looking at the system, okay, two things we can convey is, okay, we go higher, we go for a sell. And as of now, we will try to go for a buy, provided this market has got strength, and see whether the price is moving higher, then we go for a quick buy. And this is what my trade plan is. So that means, in short, I want to sell and hold, buy and exit with a quick profit. Okay, this is what my trade plan is. The next thing is, when we look into gold, we look into your PT zones, we call it. Okay, this is the PT zones is basically for those of you who are coming first time. Okay, mainly this PT zones is they are something like a staircase for the price. So when price reaches one step, okay, we expect the next above step to be resistance, and the next below step would be support. So, and when we do it, okay, we call it three forces. Basically we have three buying force, three selling force. When all these three forces are pointing in the same direction, then the strength or weakness is very strong. So on this scenario for gold is, if you look on the weekly, we have three selling force. That means no buying force involved. That means, we should be expecting a hold, a sell. And if you are going for a buy, this two buying force is coming in. Of course, this should be rejected. This should be rejected somewhere before that SR1, okay, which is the level which we would be giving it, we will be sharing it with you. So now we got to go for a buy, quick buy, exit before the resistance, or if you see the resistance, then we go for a sell and hold. And this should be our plan. Okay, this is our plan, trade plan. Okay, next we go into the dashboard. Okay, the dashboard is where will give you a clear indication where should we enter, where should we exit, where should we put our stop loss. So when we look into this dashboard, okay, rule of thumb, the market is going to be in a range between 26005 and 2611 half, and if this level breaks, then we may see the price moving higher towards 2613 and 2615, and if this 2600 breaks, then the price is expected to go lower. Below this is going to be down, below above this is going to be up, and this is the rule of thumb, and this is how we trade and we play the game. So right now the market is trading at 2608. That means the market is coming into the buying zone on the 360. This is a 6-hour chart. So all we know is this up move is expected to push until 2615 or slightly higher. Okay, slightly higher, and we should be if we are trading this two-way, we buy, exit before this, or sell at this level or higher. These are the only way we can trade on this. So now I think we are more or less we are good to go. That means we already have a clear view. Then the only thing is now the market is in between and the market is waiting for the CPI data to be out, so we don't expect any big movement, so we'll just go hit and run. Okay, let's go into the chart, then we get our confirmation. Okay, so this is 360. Okay, this is a 6-hour chart we are looking at, and this is purely a time control. Okay, what do I mean by time control? Means when the price goes up, eventually you should fail, you should come down and you should break this low, because this is only the time is controlling the price and not the price. So when the price is in control, it makes like this, lower high, lower lows. Time is in control, we see equal highs, or basically in a range, and that is the theory and that is the concept which we are looking at. So now we want to trade this. Okay, we want to trade this. Remember, we are looking for opportunity. Okay, now we can go for a buy. Okay, we can go for a buy, and just give me 1 minute. Okay, so now we can go for a buy. Okay, we can go for a buy on this. Okay, where we want to buy? Okay, we buy at 850. Okay, try to put at 850, and the stop should be at 2606. Okay, 850, and we got to see that this 12 break, if it breaks, then we should see the price moving towards towards 15. Okay, 15. So I think you can put in this order. Okay, this is going to be a quick one, and we want to trade this because none other markets are giving us an opportunity. So this one we go for a buy. Okay, we go for a buy, and 2608. Okay, put a buy at 2608, stop at 2605, and see whether it breaks 11. How shall I say? See whether it breaks that high 13. So if the 13 breaks, then we should see 15, and otherwise we should see the price falling back. Okay, so there's two things I want to tell you. Okay, this trade is going to be a quick trade. Okay, we'll try to take profit at 12 half 13. Okay, 12 half 13. And let me see whether you can hit the market. Let me see. Okay, we have 15 minutes is under control. I mean, I leave it to you. Okay, if you want to take market, you can take market or 9 half somewhere, somewhere near 8 half. But the stop has to be below 5 half. Okay, stop has to be below 5 half. Okay, let me also put in this trade. So we want to buy, try to buy at 8. Yeah, 8. I think 8 should be okay, 8, 5, 5 or 5 half, and 12 off or 13 or 15. I leave it to you. And this one, the expiry is, we want to put in not more than half an hour. If the order get filled, we will take. Otherwise, we let go this trade. So as far as this chart is concerned, okay, as far as this chart is concerned, as far as this market is concerned, okay, it is in a range trading, and we should see this high breaking, and that's when this pattern would complete. Okay, it would complete somewhere near between 22 or 27. We should not see the price going above 27. So we should be seeing the price, then later we should see the price coming down again. Overall, we still feel the low is yet to be seen. Okay, we may see one more drop. Okay, one more drop towards even 2550, 2570 or 2550. So we should be seeing one more drop. Then I think this correction would be over by then. Okay, so this is overall pattern we are looking at, and we are in the final phase of this correction, which is happening on the weekly. I don't think this is a correction on the daily. Okay, let me see. Sorry, monthly. No, yeah. So it's only correction on the weekly. So monthly, the correction has not started. So we should be able to see this market stabilizing or turning before 2530 and 2475. So anywhere these two numbers we got to take note, we should be able to see the market turning up. Okay, so this is where, and this is only a weekly correction which we are seeing. Okay, this is weekly correction, and the market should start to turn up and start to push to the new high. So this is our view for gold. Then apart from this, I think there is a dollar yen also that is giving an opportunity. Okay, right now we see an opportunity in dollar yen as well. So if you look into dollar yen, okay, dollar yen, if you look into the weekly, daily is all up, okay, and this is testing highs. So we have not seen the high yet. Okay, this is again, this would be a good trade to pay attention to. Okay, so let's okay, hold on. Okay, this is another issue I'm having. Okay, this I think. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, so now if you look into the PT zones for dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen also right now this is we having like two buying force on the daily, weekly also two buying force, monthly is also three buying forces. So we expect this market to have a target at weekly RR2 and monthly RR5 and daily RR2. RR2 means right, we are looking at the right resistance zone 2. So when we go into the dashboard, if we get all these numbers, then at least we know what is our target, so then we can get ourselves prepared. So remember I told you daily RR2, which is 155 145 and if we are looking at weekly, weekly is 15535 and monthly is 15565. So all in all, I think we expect at least 15550. Okay, 15550. So that is the target. So now I think we can go for a cautious buy, and by tonight I think we should be able to see that price hitting 15550 or even higher. So let's go into the chart. Okay, let me see the gold whether it is filled. Okay, it's not filled yet. I think it came off, but it's still not filled yet. Okay, I think 780 we couldn't get. I don't know whether anyone got filled or not, because I think because of the spread. Okay, the low it came at 780 or 90, so it is not filled yet. So I'm not sure if anyone got filled. Just send under the chat, so at least it's filled, and we can continue with this trade. Okay. So now we coming back to dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. Remember, this is the trend is weekly up. Okay, weekly up means above previous week high. So we expect the price to reach 15605 and 15680. Okay, this is the target we are looking for. Just quick target, but of course, if this is a pattern breakout, then we may see the price moving higher even to 15860. So we should see a minimum target of 15680 and maximum target of minimum target should be 15605 to 15680, and maximum is we can see 15860. So this has got long way to go. Okay, long way to go, and we should be able to go for a buy. Okay, on the other hand, the support, okay, we should be not seeing the price below let me see, 15440, 15450, which is today's low. So if we are planning to go for a buy, we can buy somewhere near 60 if we get it. Okay, if we get it, 15460 would be ideal. And early on, in fact, we sold it. In fact, we closed at cost, but now it's coming down, and let it come down. I think this market has not turned down yet. It is not turned down yet, and we should be able to see 15460. Then after that, the market should move up towards 15550, 15605, and 15680. So these are the target levels. Okay, so if we are going to go for a buy, okay, this one I think we can generate a call. Okay, try to buy. Okay, now we have another 30 minutes left on this time belt. Okay, on this time belt we have 30 minutes left. So even if it breaks this low, we can see an extension. So we will try to buy at 60, put a stop at 40, and we will try to exit at 15550. But that again, the news plays a very key role. Then probably when we do a news trading, then we can do the adjustment. Okay. So as of now, what we do is we will try to uh, try to buy at 60, stop at 40 because below current day low, and exit we put at 50. Okay, of course we can see higher depending on the data tonight, and this one the expiry we put until another 2 hours. So let it work this trade for 2 hours, not more than that. Then of course we will see how it comes. Okay, so we have two trades. I think the gold, I'm not sure whether this is trading. Yeah, gold is trading now at 10:30, and it's expected to break the high. Okay, it's expected to break the high, but his only thing is I think we couldn't get that entry. Okay, right now it's about 10 half. So we will see whether it breaks 11 and 13. If it breaks, then we should be able to look for a trade at 22. Above 22, 25, we should be shorting this, and we expect the price to come down lower. So as of now, I think there isn't much opportunity. Only these two are the only currencies which we feel is worth considering. If we are to look into any others, then I think it's best we wait for some more movement or some more activity. So after the announcement, after the data announcement, which is at 21:30. Okay. So any questions or any market you all want to discuss? Okay. So if you have no questions, then tonight, 21 hours, 2100 hours, we are going to do a news trading. So I think we can concentrate on gold and dollar yen and maybe one or two more currencies. So if there is any big opportunity, we'll try to grab it and we'll try to put in the trade. Okay. Okay, so no questions, then I'll see you again at 2100 hours. Okay, thank you for coming and look to see you again. Thank you. Bye.